Tēnā tātou katoa, good evening. Individual charges against the owners of Whakaari White Island, the Buttle brothers, has been thrown out.
The judge was critical of WorkSafe's investigation, saying there wasn't enough evidence to continue. But their company, Whakaari Management Limited, still faces trial. Nick Trubridge was in court.
They entered under a cloud, charged for their roles in this disaster.
Move, move, move.
But just after lunchtime, Peter, James and Andrew Buttle emerged with their names cleared.
The result then is that each of the charges against Andrew, James and Peter Buttle is dismissed.
After WorkSafe's case against them was picked apart.
Judge Evangelos Thomas's ruling really was a dressing down, saying WorkSafe failed to provide any evidence at all as to what happened between the Buttles behind the scenes as individuals. And right here, outside court, their lawyer proceeded to double down.
The investigation, insofar as it related to allegations against the three brothers, was inadequate.
The District Court last month heard an evidential interview with the Buttles in which investigators suggested the owners had a responsibility to ensure safety messages got through.
You're suggesting that maybe it wasn't explained enough or fully or the consequence enough. It's very hard to judge because when you drive into Christchurch, you're not explained that there could be an earthquake.
But during the trial, a senior WorkSafe investigator admitted he told his boss no charges should be filed against Whakaari's owners individually.
That is the recommendation that I forwarded to Hayden Amanda, and then the review process of the investigation and the evidence acquired then began.
Eventually the brothers were charged, but WorkSafe's evidence didn't stack up.
There is no evidence of what happened at all among the directors behind the scenes at WML. WorkSafe could easily have got this information. All they needed to do was ask for it.
It's the brothers' third attempt to be cleared over this disaster. Today, one of them could be heard crying in the public gallery as the charges were thrown out.
They're reflecting on what occurred. Obviously, their hearts go out to the victims of the eruption, and they're going to want some time to just be with their family after today's decision.
The charges against the other parties, including the brothers' company, Whakaari Management Limited, remain active and the trial will continue for some weeks.
This decision only relates to them as directors. They are innocent in law and have remained innocent throughout the investigation and throughout the trial, and that has been confirmed today.
WorkSafe is now left to consider today's decision. In a one-line statement, it declined to comment further. Nick Trubridge, Newshub.